This is a genuine issue, particularly in the United Kingdom and across many European countries. For instance, if a customer wishes to install any insulation product, the installation cost alone is often at least 3 times the cost of the particular product itself. In the UK, the shortage of skilled building contractors and the high cost of scaffolding make the situation worse. Homeowners may have to wait months, facing extended disruption as a result. Many customers choose not to insulate their homes at all and continue paying much higher energy bills, which directly contributes to the cost of living crisis in the United Kingdom. There is, in fact, huge potential in the UK housing market because if homeowners properly insulate their properties, the value of their homes can rise significantly alongside the energy savings they would gain. Our vacuum insulation wallpaper VIW is a true innovation. As you can see, these are the two samples that I would like to show you. Now, vacuum insulation wallpaper is a world's first wallpaper that uses an ultra-thin vacuum insulation panel with a total thickness of just 4 mm and a thermal conductivity of 5 milliwatt per meter per Kelvin. It is designed for DIY installation. All dimensions, sizes, and shapes are fully customizable to suit your requirements. The standard sheet size is 200 mm by 200 mm, and this has been chosen deliberately. If one sheet is ever damaged, the effect is limited to a very small area, so the overall insulation performance is not compromised. Smaller sheets are also easier to transport, pack, and handle, which helps reduce costs. For more details and frequently asked questions about this VIW and all other products, please visit www.sanyoulondon.com.